I know you and I both have been working on our 4th of July grocery list when it comes to what we want to throw on the grill. And today's show is including lots of great tips on things we can barbecue that are a little unexpected.
Yeah, that's right, Amelia. And our first recipe from Chef Jason Morse already has my mouth watering, so let's take a look.
Chef Jason, welcome back to Colorado and Company. You look like a dream in summertime. All those colors are so fresh.
I know, it's crazy. Thanks so much for having me back. We're hanging out in my backyard, AKA Grill Stadium, and we've got quite the collection, and I wore my extra bright green gloves to just show that summertime happiness.
Oh yeah, our eyes are just going to be drawn right towards your hands. All right, you're a member of the Colorado Chefs Association, and one of the big highlights of all this self-isolation quarantine has been what we can cook up. And today we're talking about kebabs for summertime.
We are, yeah. We're talking a little bit different, right? Instead of that normal kebab, we're actually doing kabrats. So I've got some Polidori green chili brats here. I've got some leftover potatoes and green peppers and red peppers. Now, the cool part is I actually cooked this yesterday and had some leftovers. So I'm doing that cook once, eat twice kind of concept. And we're going to make some awesome kabrats today.
All right. I like that idea of using the leftovers, kind of refreshing them on the grill. So walk us through the ingredients and make them, piece them together for us.
You got it. So I'll take one of my brats that was left over from yesterday, and we'll go through, and I just cut this into 4 pieces. I've got a metal skewer, and I like those skewers because they conduct heat a little bit better. So we're going to start with a purple potato, and then we're going to move into a piece of bratwurst, and then green pepper, another piece of that brat, a little bit of red pepper, another piece of brat, and then I think we'll do a Yukon Gold on this end, and another brat. So look at that. We took that brat and made it into a cool looking kebab. And then I got the Weber fired up back here, the gas grill. So we're going to go ahead and put these guys on there. And then I already have 2 that we already did that are ready to come off. So we'll grab these guys here.
Oh, yummy.
We grilled these off and I just grilled them at about 400 degrees. I did them for about 6 minutes total. And then look at this. We have a secret little glaze here. So this is our barbecue glaze, and we've got soy sauce in here, some honey, just a fantastic little glaze to finish this off, give it a lot of flavor. And now guess what? I snuck in potatoes and vegetables with the brat, so now my kids have the entire meal on a stick.
Oh, I love it. It is a portable meal to go. And you're right. The metal sticks way better because the wood can get a little splintery too. So great recipe there. Now, Chef Jason, let's talk about your past. How is your background, so impactful in the way that you choose to cook?
I'm a country club chef. I'm classically French trained. I'm now the national spokesperson and grill expert for Ace Hardware. So my life is all about barbecuing and grilling. So I look for fun ways to take everyday foods and give them that grill flavor, whether it's a smoker or charcoal or gas grill, just trying to find fun ways. And then, obviously we have been at home a lot more cooking. So we really look for that opportunity to cook once, eat twice, so that we can have a great meal tonight and then utilize those leftovers. So we have zero waste, we're being efficient, and we're also being sustainable too.
Oh yeah, and pulling it off so well. Now let's talk about your restaurant, some of your signature items and the menu items that really get you fired up.
I think menu items that get me fired up are just things that are innovative. And when you get into summertime, it's a little bit lighter. As we age and I get older, I realize that, I don't want 3 heavy meals a day. I want to start off with a nice breakfast and move into something really light for lunch, but then having a powerful dinner salad, something that, can get you out of a 90-degree day outside and in the house and be crisp and refreshing. So just trying to judge, I think, for me and how I like to eat, how we like to cook is really judging what everybody's up to, what the temperature is outside, and what will refresh them, and are they celebrating or, dining after golf or dining after an outing. So it's again, knowing your audience.
All right, we love it. Now, if you can, share with us maybe a tip or a technique that you like to use in the kitchen. We recently learned a really efficient way to chop up a summer melon. I love those tips.
For me, my tips are outside by the grill. That's where I spend so much time all year long because Colorado's so beautiful for that. And for me, my biggest grilling tip is go hot and stay hot. I think a lot of people put food on when it's really hot, and then turn the grill down and let it finish. To get that best sear in steaks and bratwurst and chicken and pork, it's really go hot and stay hot and keep those juices locked in there, so you'll have a fantastic product to eat when it comes time for dinner.
Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering already. All right, well, Chef, thank you so much for grilling up those kebabs. We're sure a lot of folks will be doing that in their backyard real soon.
Thank you, appreciate it. Have a great day.
Oh, we love Chef Jason. Now these kebabs, they look fantastic and they're so easy to pull off. So try Chef Morse's Polidori Brat-Kebabs this weekend. Find recipes and more online at cafcoloradochefs.org.